How to create customer. From the Customer module, click on the Customer list. This is where you will create a new customer, edit a customer information or tag as inactive or delete a customer. To create a customer, click Create at the upper right side of the window and provide the necessary information. Please note that the fields with an asterisk are required, while the others are only optional. First, provide the code if you use unique codes for your customers. If you don't have codes, your customer name will be sufficient. Second, provide the name. This is where you will fill in the customer name. Third, customer option. This is where you will select the customer's category, whether they're an individual or company. While it is optional that you set your accounts in the Accounts tab, it is highly recommended. Select accounts in the AR or Accounts Receivable box, then set up a default account. This is advised to make recording efficient. You can provide the following optional fields for the information, if applicable. Contact person. Customer type, if the customer is trade or non-trade type. Sender code, which is the default location. Payment to billing for the following details. Default payment type and cash account, terms in days, credit limit, penalty rate, and bank account. Contact information for other contact details. Address, and tax information for the TIN number. Once all the applicable information is provided, you may now save your customer by clicking Save. You can also create a customer by copying an existing customer information. Right-click on a preferred customer, then select Copy. You can edit the information before saving. You have successfully created your customer.